The Amazon Influencer Program lets creators earn commissions by recommending products through shoppable videos, storefronts, and links on Amazon. It's open to anyone with a social media following, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and works like an enhanced affiliate program. Here's a step-by-step to start earning. Apply to the program. Go to influencerprogram.amazon.com. Click Join Now or Apply. Connect your social media accounts. Need at least a few thousand engaged followers. No strict minimum, but higher engagement helps approval. Submit. Amazon reviews, usually 1 to 14 days. If approved, you get a unique Amazon influencer storefront. Build your storefront. Log in. Customize your profile. Add bio, profile photo, banner. Create storefront pages. For example, my favorite kitchen gadgets, fitness must-haves, by curating products you love. Add videos, short product reviews. These often convert best. Promote products and earn commissions. Share your storefront link or individual product links in posts, stories, reels, TikToks, YouTube descriptions. Use Amazon's on-site associates program tools to create shoppable videos directly in Amazon. Commissions, 1 to 10% per sale, varies by category, higher on fashion and beauty, lower on electronics. Scale earnings, focus on high commission niches. Post consistently, weekly videos or recommendations. Use hashtags, engage followers, and run giveaways to grow audience. Track performance in Associates Central Dashboard, clicks, orders, earnings.